In today's tutorial, we're going to show you how to stack sit-on-top kayaks on a roof rack. Today we're working with two Lifetime-made Temptation kayaks. Before doing any of the heavy lifting, make sure that your seat is secure. All models are not the same, so check for hooks. Step 1. Place the first kayak right side up and make sure that the back end is at the front of your vehicle. Make sure that you have some foam blocks or other padding just to give some extra support for your boat. This will help you with step 2 to center your first kayak. Step 3. Flip the second kayak upside down and place on top of the first kayak. This provides you with extra support when tying down the boats later. We've noticed that certain grooves allow these two boats to cup together. Now you want to grab your tie-down straps. We recommend using 25-foot cam buckle straps, which we offer in our rentals. For step 4, grab the loose end of your tie-down, throw it over the boat, and make sure the buckle is near the top of the boats. We'd suggest looping through a secure spot on a roof rack, then throwing the loose end over top of the kayaks. Take the loose end and lace it through the bottom of the buckle strap. Once laced through, grab the loose end and pull it towards yourself. Make sure to keep the buckle closer to the top of the kayaks. Grab the base of the tie-down and pull downward to tighten. Step 5. Go to the front or the back of your vehicle and shake the kayaks to check if they're secure. If they're secure, you're good to go. Tie off loose ends to make sure that there is no loosening in the commute process.
To start your next adventure, all you have to do is visit us on our website, where you can reserve right online. You can give us a call, or you can visit us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, or TikTok. So from our family to yours, what's your adventure?